Set to dive into the vibrant heart of Vietnam's most dynamic city? Before you embark on this journey, let's unravel the secrets of how to spend 2 days in Ho Chi Minh City. Stay tuned as we guide you through a whirlwind of cultural spectacles, tantalizing flavors, and hidden gems that promise to transform your visit into an unforgettable escapade. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insider travel tips and exhilarating adventures. How to get around Ho Chi Minh City. Navigating Ho Chi Minh City, with its vibrant streets and dynamic energy, is an adventure in itself for any young traveler. The city's traffic, known for its unique buzz, offers a thrilling experience for those ready to dive into the heart of Vietnam. While Ho Chi Minh lacks a metro system, getting around is part of the fun. Blend in with the locals and explore the city's colorful nooks via taxis, which are readily available and affordable. For a more authentic experience, hop on a Xiam, motorbike taxi, or cyclo, rickshaw, perfect for short distances and soaking in the city's lively atmosphere. Where to stay? Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of District 1, the city's pulsating heart. Here, you'll find accommodation ranging from charming hostels at about 10 to 20 USD per night to luxurious hotels averaging 50 to 150 USD. Areas like Pham Nung Lao and Bi Vinh Street are perfect for young travelers seeking lively nightlife and a central location. City airport tips. Landing at Tan Son Nhat International Airport, remember to have local currency, Vietnamese dong, for a smooth start. Opt for a licensed taxi or pre-booked airport shuttle for a hassle-free transfer to the city center, typically costing around 5 to 10 USD. Day 1. Explore the city. Morning. Ho Chi Minh City Museum. Kick off your Ho Chi Minh City adventure with a morning visit to the Ho Chi Minh City Museum, a key attraction for history buffs and photography enthusiasts alike. Nestled in a stunning French colonial building, this museum offers a captivating glimpse into the rich tapestry of the city's history. You'll need just about an hour to explore its diverse exhibits, which showcase an array of artifacts and memorabilia, painting a vivid picture of Ho Chi Minh City's past. The museum's architecture itself is a major draw, frequently chosen as a picturesque backdrop for photo shoots. Immerse yourself in the elegance of its design while uncovering historical treasures within. An affordable entry fee of around $1.30 USD grants you access to this cultural gem. Keep in mind, if you're planning on capturing professional-grade photos, there might be a small additional charge. This visit is a must-do for those looking to enrich their understanding of Ho Chi Minh City's heritage and architecture, all while enjoying a budget-friendly, enlightening experience. For a delightful breakfast near the Ho Chi Minh City Museum, consider visiting Lucine. This chic cafe and bistro, known for its French-Vietnamese fusion cuisine, is just a short walk from the museum. Lucine offers a serene atmosphere reminiscent of a Parisian cafe blended with local Saigonese charm, making it a favorite among both tourists and locals. The cost for a breakfast at Lucine ranges from approximately 5 to 10 USD, depending on your choice of dishes. This price includes a main breakfast item and a drink, providing a fulfilling and delightful start to your day. Ho Chi Minh City Hall. Experience the grandeur of Ho Chi Minh City's architectural marvels with a visit to the Ho Chi Minh City Hall. Located right next to the Ho Chi Minh City Museum, this stunning building, formerly known as Hotel de Ville during the French colonial era, is an iconic landmark in the heart of the city. Currently serving as Ho Chi Minh City People's Committee headquarters, it represents a significant piece of Vietnam's history and governance. While the interior of the City Hall is not accessible to the public, its exterior offers a breathtaking display of architectural beauty. The building's elegant design and ornate decorations make it a must-see destination for architecture enthusiasts and history lovers. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate details and capture the essence of French colonial architecture in your travel photos. Directly in front of the City Hall, you'll find the revered statue of Ho Chi Minh. Situated at the top of the bustling Nguyen Bien Hue walking street, the statue serves as a remarkable focal point and a popular photo opportunity for visitors. The Ho Chi Minh City Opera House. Step into the heart of Ho Chi Minh City's cultural scene with a visit to the iconic Ho Chi Minh City Opera House. Located just off the bustling Nguyen Bien Hue Street, this architectural marvel stands as a testament to the city's French colonial heritage, making it a must-visit landmark for architecture enthusiasts and cultural explorers. Even if you're not catching a show, the Opera House, known for hosting an array of world-class performances, ranging from symphonies and ballets to operas, is a sight to behold. Its grandeur and elegance make it a perfect subject for your travel photography or a captivating backdrop for your Instagram stories. The Opera House isn't just a building, it's a symbol of Ho Chi Minh City's rich artistic legacy. The Cafe Apartments. Embark on a unique urban adventure at the Cafe Apartments, a trendy hotspot in Ho Chi Minh City. This Instagram-worthy attraction is nestled in a charming, repurposed apartment block, bustling with an eclectic mix of cafes, shops, and small businesses. It's a perfect fusion of historic architecture and modern Vietnamese culture, making it a must-visit destination for travelers and photographers alike. A highlight of the Cafe Apartments is Dosh Donuts. Renowned for its delectable donuts, sumptuous milkshakes, refreshing smoothies, and aromatic coffee, it's a haven for foodies and Instagram enthusiasts. Sitting outside at Dosh offers a fantastic view of the bustling Nguyen Bien Hue walking street, allowing you to soak in the lively atmosphere of the city while enjoying some of the best treats Ho Chi Minh has to offer. For a delightful lunch near the Cafe Apartments in Ho Chi Minh City, Nong Restaurant Kwanang Gong is a highly recommended choice. Conveniently located just a short distance from the Cafe Apartments, this restaurant is a culinary gem that offers an authentic taste of traditional Vietnamese cuisine in a charming setting. The cost of lunch at Nong Restaurant is quite reasonable, especially considering the variety and quality of the dishes offered. You can expect to spend around 5 to 10 USD per person depending on the number of dishes you order and the beverages you choose. Afternoon. Stroll along the Saigon River. Conclude your exploration of Ho Chi Minh City with a serene stroll along the Saigon River, perfectly located at the end of the Nguyen Bien Hue walking street. This picturesque spot offers a tranquil escape to walk off your lunch and enjoy the beautifully maintained gardens. The waterfront path, not only extensive, provides a refreshing ambiance and a glimpse into local life by the river. For those seeking a more dynamic experience, the area is also a hub for local water taxis and boat trips, with services available from the nearby boat station. These rides offer a unique perspective of the city from the water and are a must-do for adventure enthusiasts. Just a stone's throw away from the riverfront, the towering Bitexo Financial Tower stands as a beacon of modernity. Its observation deck on the 68th floor promises breathtaking panoramic views of the Saigon River and the city's skyline. Open daily from 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m., the Skydeck experience is an unforgettable highlight, with an entrance fee of approximately 8.7 USD per adult. Evening. Ben Thanh Ward for dinner. As you explore, make Ben Thanh Ward your go-to destination for an unforgettable dining experience. This vibrant area caters to all tastes and budgets, making it a top choice for travelers seeking to indulge in the city's culinary delights. For a night brimming with excitement and flavor, head to Lu Tu Trong Street. This bustling hotspot is the epicenter of Ho Chi Minh City's nightlife and gastronomy. Whether you're craving craft beer, exotic cocktails, or a fusion of Western and Vietnamese cuisines, this street has it all. Liu Tu Trong Street isn't just about food and drinks, it's a cultural experience that embodies the dynamic spirit of Ho Chi Minh City. Day 2. Learn about Vietnam's recent history. Morning. The War Remnants Museum. Embark on a profound journey through Vietnam's history on your second day in Ho Chi Minh City with a visit to the War Remnants Museum. Ranked as one of the top must-see attractions in the city, this museum offers an immersive, albeit somber, experience into the American-Vietnam War. It stands as a powerful testament to the resilience and history of Vietnam, making it a pivotal stop for any young traveler seeking a deeper understanding of the country's past. With an entrance fee of just around 1.75 USD, the War Remnants Museum presents an incredibly informative exploration at great value. Inside, you'll find a rich tapestry of history unfolded through gripping photographs, personal diary entries, and insightful news articles. Allocate about 2 hours for your visit to fully absorb the wealth of information presented. While the War Remnants Museum offers a sobering reflection on a turbulent chapter of Vietnam's history, it's an essential experience for any visitor looking to connect with the soul of the country. This museum not only educates, but also leaves a lasting impression about the importance of peace and understanding. For a delightful breakfast near the War Remnants Museum in Ho Chi Minh City, the Vintage Emporium is an excellent choice. This cozy cafe, located conveniently close to the museum, offers a serene and stylish ambiance, perfect for starting your day. The cost of a breakfast at the Vintage Emporium typically ranges from 4 to 8 USD, depending on what you order. The Reunification Palace. Discover the heart of Vietnam's history at the Reunification Palace, a top destination in Ho Chi Minh City and a must-visit alongside the War Remnants Museum. Known historically as the Independence Palace, this iconic site beckons travelers with its deep historical significance and unique architecture. The palace also houses an impressive collection of war-era artifacts and materials, allowing visitors to walk through history as they navigate the building. With an entrance fee of about 1.75 USD, the Reunification Palace is both an affordable and enlightening attraction. Remember to plan your visit accordingly, as the palace welcomes visitors only until 1 p.m. before it closes its doors to the public for the day. Tao Dan Park. Escape the lively energy of Ho Chi Minh City and find tranquility at Tao Dan Park, a verdant oasis nestled right behind the iconic Reunification Palace. This expansive green space offers a serene retreat for those looking to unwind amidst nature. Its meticulously landscaped gardens present the perfect backdrop for a peaceful stroll or a relaxing away from the city's vibrant chaos. Afternoon. Try some local food and shopping in Ben Thanh Market. This bustling hotspot is a paradise for food lovers, offering an array of street food stalls where you can savor local Vietnamese delicacies. Indulge in authentic flavors with dishes like aromatic pho, tantalizing noodles, and other traditional specialties. Expect to spend around 2 to 5 USD for a fulfilling lunch, offering both affordability and an unforgettable gastronomic experience in the heart of Ho Chi Minh City. After enjoying a delightful lunch, dive back into the vibrant heart of Ho Chi Minh City with a shopping spree at the bustling market. This hotspot, brimming with stalls, offers a treasure trove of local goods, from trendy apparel and footwear to unique souvenirs that capture the essence of Vietnam. Evening. Water puppet show and dinner cruise. Your second night out of a thrilling 2-day journey is best spent experiencing the enchanting world of traditional Vietnamese water puppetry, followed by a scenic dinner cruise along the iconic Saigon River. Water puppetry, a unique Vietnamese art form with ancient roots, offers a glimpse into the country's cultural heritage. While it may have seen a decline in local interest, becoming more of a tourist-centric experience, it remains a must-see spectacle in Ho Chi Minh City. The renowned Golden Dragon Theater hosts 2 captivating shows nightly, one at 5 p.m. and another at 6:30 p.m. Each show, lasting about an hour, is a delightful display of folklore and storytelling, engaging even if you don't understand the language. Following the cultural immersion, continue your adventure with a dinner cruise on the Saigon River. Numerous cruise options are available, but for a seamless experience, consider a tour package that combines the water puppet show with a river cruise. This offers a perfect blend of cultural entertainment and culinary delight, letting you witness the city's skyline sparkle as you sail. Prices for these combined experiences vary, but you can expect a range that suits different budgets, generally starting from around 30 USD onwards. Best time of year to visit Ho Chi Minh City. The best time to visit Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam is typically during the dry season, which runs from December to April. During these months, the city experiences less rainfall and more pleasant weather, making it ideal for exploring and enjoying outdoor activities. And there you have it, Globetrotters, a whirlwind 48 hours in the pulsating heart of Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. From the mesmerizing water puppet shows to the tranquil cruises along the Saigon River, we hope your 2-day adventure has been nothing short of spectacular. Remember, Ho Chi Minh City is a treasure trove of experiences, and what we've explored is just the tip of the iceberg. If you've enjoyed this journey as much as we've enjoyed curating it, please give us a thumbs up and share your own Ho Chi Minh City adventures in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and tips to fuel your wanderlust. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and always carry the spirit of Ho Chi Minh City with you. See you again, and safe travels on your next global adventure.